Tinawag mo akong tinawag mo akong gago. Ba't mo ginawa sa akin yun? Gusto mo ba akong umiyak ngayon sa'yo? Please, yes.
That is part of my freedom of speech, Mr.
Oh,
Chair.
is that right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So your freedom of speech is to tell a person that he is gago. Freedom of speech ba yan?
My freedom of speech, part of my freedom
Ang
of
galing
speech
mo.
is to react
Ang
on the
galing mo.
action of
Ito
a
pa,
public official.
sinabi mo ha, in another post, ito sirahin mo, isasampal ko ito sa pagmumukha mo. Is that still freedom of speech?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ganon. If I tell you right now, sasampalin kita, freedom of speech yan.
That's part of your freedom, Mr. Chair.
Pag sinampal kita, hindi na freedom of speech yan.
Of course, sir, it's overt
Hindi
action
na.
already.
Ang galing. Mahusay ito. Ang sabi mo, I'm going to be Hindi ko masabi to, Mr. Chair. F-U-C-K-E-D. Prepared.
Mr. Chair, I cannot intelligently answer if I do not know when the post was posted.
You can post something today and you forget that tomorrow. Am I right?
That is correct, Mr. Chair. That's very likely.
You hated me. Hindi pwedeng sabihin mo sa akin na you love me. Is that a person that you said that you love me? I love you and because of that, isasampal ko ito sa'yo.
At the very most, I do not like your performance as a member of the 19th Congress. But hate is such a powerful word, Mr. Chair. If you think that you are violated by my exercise of my freedom, you would have your right and
No,
court.
don't worry. I'm not going to charge you. If I charge you in court, matatalo ka eh. Miss Cruz, wala akong karapatang tawagin kitang gago.
And I respect your opinion, Mr. Chair.
Not my opinion. That is my belief.
I
Iba yung
respect your
opinion,
belief, Mr.
iba
Chair.
yung belief. Marami ring bashing ang binigay ni Miss Cruz kay Congressman Ace Barbers eh.
Mr. Chair, I would just like to inform the court that there is a pending action that I have against Ace Barber. So I would like to invoke the sub judice rule on that matter.
Wala namang kasong pinail eh.
No, Mr. Chair, I filed a libel suit against Congressman Barber.
Kay Ace Barbers.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oo. Huwag ka na mag-file ng libel suit sa akin. Wala naman akong sinabing masama sa iyo.